Have you ever wondered why millions of people chant Om, visit sacred temples, and live by the principles of karma and Dharma? Hinduism isn't just a religion, it's a way of life that has inspired humanity for millennia. Stay tuned as we unravel the profound teachings, rituals, and beliefs that make Hinduism one of the most fascinating spiritual traditions on earth. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Stay tuned. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Like and share this video to spread this timeless wisdom. Dharma is the guiding light of righteousness, ethics, and duty that helps maintain harmony in life and society. Paired with karma, the universal law of cause and effect, it teaches us that every action has consequences, shaping not just this life, but the lives to come. Hinduism introduces us to Samsara, the endless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, driven by karma. The ultimate goal? To break free from this cycle and achieve moksha, spiritual liberation and union with the divine. The Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, and the Bhagavad Gita are the cornerstones of Hindu philosophy. These scriptures offer timeless insights into the nature of life, the universe, and the divine. Rites of passage, or Sanskaras, celebrate key life moments, like Namkaran, naming ceremony, Vidyarambha, start of education, and Upanayana, sacred thread ceremony. Even marriage is seen as a sacred union, symbolized by the 7 pharas around a holy fire. Puja, a core practice of Hinduism, connects devotees with the divine. It's not just about rituals, it's about devotion, gratitude, and spiritual connection. The power of chanting mantras, like the revered Gayatri Mantra, helps elevate the soul to higher realms. In Hinduism, every deity symbolizes an aspect of the divine, from Brahma the creator, Vishnu the preserver, to Shiva the destroyer. Each god and goddess tells a unique story that inspires devotion and teaches life lessons. However, the guru, or spiritual teacher, holds a revered place in Hinduism. It's believed that knowledge, both spiritual and worldly, can only be attained under the guidance of a guru. Fasting purifies the body and soul, while pilgrimages to holy sites strengthen spiritual devotion. The cow, revered as a symbol of motherhood, represents life and sustenance in Hindu culture. Hinduism is more than rituals or beliefs. It's a journey towards self-realization. With Om Mahapikapu, the primal sound of the universe, as its heartbeat, Hinduism invites everyone to connect with their inner divinity. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Motivational Pro-Tin for more motivational and spiritual content like this. Hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who'd love to learn about Hinduism.